So we're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things, and everybody over to the Stanley booth here. And check this out, this little system for tying down a variety of different things on your car. This is pretty cool. I've got Mike here. Mike, tell me more about this little suction cup system.
So this suction cup system basically suction cups to the window or the car, high pressure quality, comes down, and what it's for is any kind of a tailgate, any kind of a piece where you're just trying to hold something down. Very reliable, very dependable.
Now I saw in the picture that you actually went from the painted surface on the car to another painted surface. Mm-hmm. So this won't scratch a car at all?
No, not at all. It's suction cupped. We've done a lot of testing with it, and the suction cup holds and doesn't scratch at all.
Now, how much weight can something like that hold if a person were wanting to tie down something like you've got on the top of the car?
It's tested for a 250-pound capacity, but does a lot more than that, but that's where we keep it to feel comfortable with it.
And there's a variety of different options I see, because you've got the suction cup and you can buy longer or shorter. Tell us about that.
It's a 20-foot strap, so I mean it can be adjusted to different sizes. Our kit comes with 2 suction cups and one ratchet strap, but you can buy them also individually as regular suction, as the suction cup, or as the strap.
That sounds great. Mike, where would people go if they wanted to find out more information about this?
BCS International, Stanley Car Accessories, out of Green Bay, Wisconsin.
That sounds great. We'll find a link to let you guys go out to a website and check this out. We're at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.